a previous note, we were talking about the resume and preparation of a resume, on which a lot of emphasis is made on the soft skills. Soft skills are essential for the knowledge workers and maybe even otherwise. People, a person working in a heavy industry, heavy engineering industry, needs some kind of managerial capability at the foreman level, and previously people were not using all those managerial capabilities of humanization and maybe interpersonal relations. These things were not there. Today every industry, every type of business is looking for that. So it is better if you could be able to work on this 5, you could be able to achieve success. Communication is most important. Some of you may be wondering, everybody talks about communication. What is there in communication? It's very simple. What you talk should be understood by the other person in its easiest sense, perspective, and style. If that is happening, you are delivering, so you are a successful person. Then the interpersonal relations are very crucial for some of the industries where the interpersonal trust is essential. When they are working together, they need to showcase that they are for the other person. If that happens, and if you prove that that is needed, hence make sure you specialize on this soft skill, most important. Then the third one is problem solving. Problem solving is an ocean. It is not just on one aspect. Just like in an ocean, a lot of things, chemical, technical, personal, individual, all problems are there. And when you're working in an organization, you are mixing with people and mixing with the processes. There also the kind of interpersonal relations are the one that will either make the other person a leader or bankrupt the person to move away from the organization. Then the essential part today is everyone talks about team performance or teamwork. Gone were the days when, say, at least a decade or maybe 2 decades back, not many people bothered about teamwork, or maybe even in banks, when you see one is giving vent to the other person. Yeah, I'll take care of this, go. And the kind of confidence that they are building up on one another is very, very crucial in the teamwork. A team is one, more than 2, 3, 4 people. When they join together, they are thinking alike, they are working together and on a common purpose. Then the organizational skills are also essential. The organizational skills are maybe organizing skills and delegating skills, making people understand what you talk to them and make them work on the perfect mode to come out with the best results. All these things are essential. Organizational skills are in terms of structural properties, where who is to report who and what they have to supposed to say. Everywhere, all the above three need to be worked out. And finally, creative and strategic approach. The creativity is one today everybody talks about. Creativity is thinking differently, coming out with the newer options, invent new things. If it is not so, then today Apple will not be a product. Everybody would know about this as only a fruit. The question of innovation plays a crucial role in the Apple organization or Apple industry, which made a breakthrough innovation on the music systems, phones and handphones. Wonderful. And make sure whatever we have been talking about is something more meaningful. Those who are planning for a career, those who are following on some areas and maybe at the verge of completion of the coursework, ensure you try to get all these things.